Happy GarageBand Update Day. That's right, Apple just released a brand new sound pack for GarageBand for iOS, entitled Backlight Bounce. Let's check it out. Hey, it's Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at the very recently released Backlight Bounce sound pack for GarageBand for iOS. In this pack, you'll find more than 350 new Apple loops, 6 drum kits, 24 Alchemy patches, and 1 live loops grid. The description of which is as follows. Light up the dance floor with a collection of slick, neon-drenched loops and instruments inspired by the futuristic sounds of slap house. Jump right in with a fresh set of Apple loops, including hypercharged bass lines, icy synth pads, mysterious vocal chops, and pounding drums. Or create your own vibe from scratch with new beat sequencer kits and shape-shifting Alchemy patches. Sounds pretty good to me. As always, the best way to get an idea of the kind of sounds that a new sound pack has on offer is to dive into the live loops grid. This one has 1 on offer, and here's how it sounds. So you're getting 350 new Apple loops with this pack. They seem to be a mix of audio loops and software instrument loops this time around, and they are a real mixed bag. There's a good selection of claps and toppers and things, but the loops that utilise the new Alchemy synth patches are the standouts for me. There are also 6 drum kits on offer here, so if you fancy yourself a finger drum aficionado, you can tap out some beats manually using the acoustic drum interface. If, like me, you have a rhythmless set of sausage fingers, you can always load these stellar new kits up into the beat sequencer. Each kit has its own pattern as well that, while being fairly limited this time around, do a good job of giving you a feel for the drum sounds on offer. Finally, Backlight Bounce gives you 24 new Alchemy synth patches. These patches range from lush pads and bell-like leads, to deep bass growls. Personally, I found that some of these bass patches were a little bit too deep, and actually found that I liked the sound of them better when increasing the octave up to 0 as opposed to -1, which is what a lot of these bass patches are set to by default. Give it a try yourself and see what you think though. So I think a lot more people will get use from the sounds in this pack. than did from the previous one, that was Ultimate 808's. Apple haven't focused in on one particular genre this time around. I think a lot of these sounds will work in a variety of different song types, especially those fantastic drum kits. Anyway, that's Backlight Bounce, the latest sound pack released to GarageBand for iOS. Let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. And if you want to check out even more great sounds for GarageBand for iOS, then click right here. Take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.